Mbere ya kamiti iria iratongorio ni uria wari mucithania munene David Maraga, uma muthi wa kamiti ya kwandika maabitha borithi NPSC kuheana mendekithia maria mabatie kuheo muhari wa mbere hari kunyorokia mirutire ya wira wa maabitha borithi. Muikariri giti wa kamiti no eriodikinothia kiambiriria na gutetera ikiro cia borithi hari kwambatirio ngathi mubango uria augite ndukoretwo kirumirira watho kwa ihinda iraya thirikari-ini cia hau kabere, riu akiuria kamiti no ibatie guthingatithia watho uyu.
Leave allowance, currently what is payable is between 4,000 to 10,000 based on ranks. So we are proposing that if the task force allows, we can be able to pay them 1 month basic salary. And this will be able to cushion them from other issues that really affect police officers. We are also proposing maternity dress allowance. Our female officers do not have maternity dress, and we are proposing that they should be given 30,000 per each pregnancy so that they can be able to purchase maternity dress.
Mihang'o ya kwandika makurutu no igwetetwo ta mwanya munene wa ungumania. Kamiti ino ikiuga kwa muhiano kuma mwaka wa 2013 no borithi 48 mandikitwo, indi namba ino ni nini ikiringithanio na aria meherire ruhonge ruru. Riu kamiti ino ikiendekithia mihang'o ino ikagwo nenda-ini cia kiriu.
We are recommending automation of all HR processes and records through integrated human resource management system to accessible by both the commission and the service to fast track and to make this particular area to be handled efficiently and effectively.
Gikaro-ini giki kamiti ino no yugite ni kugite na kihuthanio honge-ini itiganite, makiuga na wabici ya Inspector General ikoretwo ikiyukio no gikiro kimwe, na iguru wa uguo makiendekithia macokerio nguo cia na hau kabere handu ha iria marendekithirio ica ikuhi cia blue.
Right now, I have worked with the 4 Inspector Generals. All of them have come from one service. Even those whom we have borrowed from National Intelligence Service previously were from Kenya Police Service. So there are 2 services, Admission Police Service and DCI, who feels they have never risen to the top, and the National Police Service Commission cannot tell what is the problem of the workers there, because every employee desire to rise to the top.
Ciiko cia ngero mbutu-ini ino no citemanitio, riu kamiti ino ikienda kugia na mutaratara umwe wa mathomo kuri mbutu ciothe cia ugitiri, na iguru wa uguo motungata ma utarani magirithio makiria.
The National Police Service Commission put a welfare policy in place in 2018. This particular policy has not been operationalized. We believe if this policy is operationalized, it will assist in addressing some of the some of the psychosocial needs and welfare needs of the officers.
Kuma haha kamiti ino ikwerekera kauntiini itiganite kungania mawoni ma maabitha kiumbe ceceni itiganite cia borithi. Muingi ona honge ingi na thutha ucio riboti ya muthia yarikira inengerwo president atue matua ma muthia. Ribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.